Hey, what's up guys? In this video, we will see how to enable Google Gemini on the Samsung Galaxy A16. Now to do that, just open Google. Now from here, just tap on your profile icon at the upper right corner on the display. Now from here, scroll down and tap on Settings. Now from here, just tap on Google Assistant. Now from here, scroll down and tap on Digital Assistant from Google. Now from here, make sure you select Google Gemini. Now from here, once you have selected Google Gemini, you can press and hold your home button and you can enable Google Gemini. And this is how you can enable Google Gemini on the Samsung Galaxy A16. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.